The AI Summit in India recently concluded, and there was a lot of hype about a company called Sarvam.ai. They're focusing heavily on Indian regional language translation along with vision capabilities. In this video, I thought about checking out the Sarvam.ai website and test few of their features. This is part one of the video where we'll be only checking the dashboard and testing few features. And in the second part, we'll be competing Sarvam.ai against ChatGPT and Gemini. Let us begin. All right, so this is how the homepage of Sarvam AI dashboard looks like. To the left, under Playground, you will get all the features like text-to-speech, vision, speech-to-text, translate. One thing to note is that when you sign up initially, you will get 1,000 credits. And once when you start using or testing these features in the Playground, the credits will start reducing. Let us go into text-to-speech. Here you can see to the left, you have the area where you can paste your text. You get a total of 11 languages, English being one and other 10 being Indian regional languages. Also, you have the option of choosing the AI voice agent. You also get different categories like audiobook, entertainment, sales. So depending on your use case, you can decide what sort of category you want, and depending on the category, the narration type of the AI voice agent will change. You get different models. Bulbul V3 is their latest text-to-speech model. Let us hear Shubh for a second.
नमस्ते, सर्वम एआई में आपका स्वागत है। हम भारतीय भाषाओं के लिए अत्याधुनिक वॉइस टेक्नोलॉजी बनाते हैं।
Here you can see that you selected the conversational category, and depending on the text, it's not going to translate, it's just going to convert the text to speech in real time. And it does a fairly good job. With vision, you get the option of extracting text from images. So if you have a text which has an announcement in some regional language, it can extract that for you. Not only images, it can also do some image captioning and also do it for PDFs, handwritten notes. Let us upload one of our files and let's see how well it does. I just have a announcement in Hindi and I'm going to use character recognition for this particular image. Another thing is that it's not going to translate the image for you, it's just going to extract the information for you, which is sort of like a bummer because having translation would be a better option, but nevertheless, it at least extracts the text for you. With speech to text, you can not only transcribe the speech, but you can also translate. So let us say that you have the option of transcribing, translating, and even transliterating. Let us start speaking. मैं बहुत बीमार हूँ, मुझे घर जाना है. Okay, it does understand that and it does the transcribing pretty quickly. Let us see whether it can understand. Okay, so it also understands that now we have shifted to English and it's doing that job also. Pretty good, not bad. So not only transcribing, you can even translate, transliterate, and even do multiple things with it. With Translate, which is particularly suited for translating text, you not only get the option of translating with formal tone, but you can also select different type of colloquial tone as well. So it not only does word-to-word translation, but also should understand the underlying meaning behind it, which is pretty good. And again, not only English, Hindi, you get multiple regional options as well. And depending on the text that you have, you can do the translation. Conversational agents, in my opinion, is a good feature and something which is very useful for Indian businesses, especially for a department which are always in close contact with multiple users. And if those users are not comfortable in English, they can always switch to the regional language. Here in this text, you just need to describe what sort of agent you want. So here you can see that Rupa is a customer support agent at QuickCart. And depending on different scenarios, they have mentioned that probably if a question is related to refund, the answer for that is going to be 5 to 7 business days. Or if a customer is angry, then the agent needs to sincerely apologize and then continue the conversation. Depending on your business use case, you can have these AI conversational agents and also select different languages for them. We can just test it out.
Hi Ronak, I'm Rupa from QuickCart. How can I assist you today?
हाय, आप हिंदी में बात कर सकते हो?
नमस्ते रोनक, मैं क्विक कार्ड से रूपा हूँ। मैं आज आपकी क्या मदद कर सकती हूँ?
मुझे सिर्फ पूछना था कि अगर मेरे को रिफंड चाहिए तो उसके लिए कितने दिन लगेंगे?
रिफंड प्रोसेस में यूजुअली 5 से 7 बिजनेस दिन लगते हैं। पेमेंट मोड के हिसाब से थोड़ा टाइम वेरिएशन हो सकता है। कोई और सवाल हो तो बताइए।
That was pretty good, and I'm pretty impressed. And the customer support agent also shifted with her language, which is really good. So she did not stick to just English. And you also saw that depending on the payment option, payment scenario, the number of days also can vary. So it's not just restricted to the text which is mentioning the type of agent it is, but it also is AI behind it and actually continuing the conversation for you. Video dubbing is another good feature which according to the website is still in beta, but let us upload a video and see what it can do with our small 5-second video. Okay, so it asks us to select what source language it is, which is English, and then you can even select the target language, and that's a brilliant idea. It's not just restricted to Hindi. Let us make it Marathi in this case. We have just one speaker, and yeah, that's another thing, that it's just not very vague but also podcast or sort of what content it is. Probably it's going to decide what needs to be dubbed in what sense when you select what genre it is. Let's just select probably OTT in this case and start dubbing. Obviously it's not going to be that quick, it will take some time. I just want to see how good of a feature it is because it's still in beta, so there are chances that it might not be that good. But let's see how much time it takes and how the quality is. And the result is over here. Let's check it out.
नमस्कार, हा सर्वम AI बद्दलचा व्हिडिओ आहे. याबद्दल तुमचं मत नक्की कळवा.
Okay, so in English, which is the original one, I just wanted to say that, okay, this is a video about Sarvam.ai and to let me know how it feels. Hi, this is a video about Sarvam.ai. Do let me know what you feel about it.
नमस्कार, हा सर्वम AI बद्दलचा व्हिडिओ आहे. याबद्दल तुमचं मत नक्की कळवा.
So it's not perfect, but at least you get what the creator wants to say. So it's not lost the meaning of the video when it's dubbing it. So that's pretty good. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to give you an idea about how the tool is. And in my next video, I'm going to be comparing the performance of Sarvam.ai alongside ChatGPT and Gemini, especially with translation and image vision tasks. You also have a new AI chatbot called Indus by Sarvam.ai itself, so even we can check that out. That's it for this video. Consider liking, sharing, and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.